productivity has to do with how you measure it, and our real productivity metrics are adherence and occupancy. We'll also try to minimize after-call work, which is a component of our average handle time. When we look at productivity, we believe that it's really about having the right people in the right place at the right time to handle the customer. And if we're doing that the right way, we should have people pretty busy so we don't have to worry about lots of time in between calls. We do not use AHT as an agent metric. My learning in 26 years of the business is every time you put the handle time metric in front of an agent, they feel like they have to do everything they can to be short because they don't understand the idea of average handle time. They just think of it as handle time on this call. Now, we will use AHT as a component of what the business is doing and how the business is going. So if we have an agent that has really long calls, we'll want to understand why those calls are long, what the agent's doing in those calls, so we can help bring that handle time down to being more within the norm. And one other thing we do is we use a lot of quadrant analysis, upper, middle two, and lower quadrant analysis for our agents. And so we'll place them there relative to different measures. And if we have an agent that has a very high handle time, we'll try to understand what's that agent doing in their calls, how are they doing, how are they processing the information, how are they using the tools they have that could be impacting their handle time. But we won't say you have to bring your handle time down as much as we'll say you need to change the way you handle this process. You need to change the way you respond to this question. You need to change the way you use hold time as a component of handling the customer. When we think about productivity, like I say, I'll go back and say ours is about getting people in the right place, making sure they understand they should be in that place, on the phone at that time, taking phone calls and talking to customers.